Imagine a car running without petrol. Impossible, right? Our bodies are just like amazing machines that need fuel to work. That's where the digestive system comes in. It breaks down the food we eat into tiny particles. Our bodies can then use these particles for energy to play, learn, and grow. Without the digestive system, we wouldn't have the energy to do anything. The digestive system is like a big, long tube. It starts at our mouths and ends at our bottoms. Along the way, different parts of the system do different jobs. It's a team effort to keep us healthy and strong. Our food adventure starts in the mouth. Imagine taking a bite of your favorite food. What happens? Your teeth get to work, chomping and grinding the food into smaller pieces. This is the first step of digestion, making food easier to swallow and digest. But it's not just the teeth that are busy. Saliva, our watery friend in the mouth, mixes with the food. Saliva makes the food slippery, helping it slide down our throat easily. It also contains special chemicals that start breaking down certain parts of the food. Chewing is very important. The more we chew, the easier it is for our bodies to digest food. Try chewing a piece of bread for a long time. You'll notice it starts to taste sweet. That's because saliva is breaking down the bread's starch into sugar. Once the food is all mashed up and mixed with saliva, it's ready for the next part of the journey. We swallow, and the food embarks on a wild ride down a slide called the esophagus. The esophagus is like a stretchy pipe connecting our mouth to our stomach. It's about 25 centimeters long. When we swallow, muscles in the esophagus squeeze and push the food downwards. This process is called peristalsis. It's like a wave moving through the esophagus, ensuring the food reaches its destination, the stomach. Section 5, the stomach's churning chamber, breaking down the feast. The stomach is a fascinating organ, often overlooked but incredibly vital to our digestive process. Let's dive deeper into how this muscular bag works its magic. The stomach is a strong muscular bag that acts like a food processor. It is located in the upper left part of the abdomen and is responsible for breaking down the food we eat into smaller, more manageable pieces. This process is crucial for our body to absorb nutrients effectively. Imagine it rumbling and churning, mixing the food with strong acids and enzymes. These movements are not random. They are highly coordinated to ensure that every bit of food is exposed to digestive juices. The stomach's walls contract and relax in a rhythmic manner, creating a churning motion that thoroughly mixes the food. These powerful juices break down the food even further, turning it into a thick liquid called chyme. The stomach lining produces hydrochloric acid and digestive enzymes like pepsin, which work together to break down proteins and other complex molecules. This transformation is essential for the next stages of digestion. This process can take a few hours depending on what we've eaten. For instance, a meal high in fats and proteins will take longer to break down compared to a meal rich in carbohydrates. The stomach's ability to regulate the speed of digestion ensures that nutrients are released at a steady rate, optimizing absorption. The stomach also kills harmful bacteria that might be lurking in our food, keeping us healthy and safe. The acidic environment is hostile to most pathogens, acting as a first line of defense against foodborne illnesses. This protective function is crucial for maintaining our overall health. Once the stomach has done its job, the chyme is ready for the next exciting stage of its journey, the small intestine. Here, the chyme will undergo further digestion and nutrient absorption, continuing its incredible journey through our digestive system. The transition from the stomach to the small intestine is a well-coordinated process, ensuring that our body gets the most out of the food we consume. Section 6. The small intestine's grand absorption. Don't let its name fool you. The small intestine is a long and winding tube, about 6 meters long. It's here that the real magic happens, nutrient absorption. As the chyme travels through the small intestine, it passes by millions of tiny finger-like projections called villi. These villi act like tiny straws, sucking up all the good stuff from the digested food: vitamins, minerals, proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. These nutrients then enter our bloodstream and are transported to every cell in our body, providing us with the energy we need. Section 7. A helping hand, liver, pancreas, and gallbladder. While the small intestine is busy absorbing nutrients, three other organs are lending a helping hand: the liver, pancreas, and gallbladder. These organs play crucial roles in the digestive process, each contributing in unique ways to ensure our bodies get the nutrients they need. The liver, the body's largest internal organ, filters our blood and produces bile, a greenish-yellow liquid that helps break down fats. It also stores vitamins and minerals and detoxifies chemicals, making it a powerhouse of activity. The liver's ability to regenerate itself is remarkable, allowing it to recover from damage and continue performing its vital functions. The pancreas, tucked behind the stomach, produces digestive juices filled with enzymes that break down carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. These enzymes are essential for converting the food we eat into energy and building blocks for our cells. Additionally, the pancreas plays a key role in regulating blood sugar levels by producing insulin and glucagon, hormones that manage glucose in the bloodstream. The gallbladder, a small sac under the liver, stores the bile produced by the liver and releases it into the small intestine when needed. This storage function allows bile to be available in larger quantities when we consume fatty foods, aiding in their digestion. The gallbladder's ability to contract and release bile on demand is a finely tuned process that supports efficient digestion. These three organs work together seamlessly, ensuring our food is properly digested and absorbed. The liver, pancreas, and gallbladder form a coordinated team, each with its specialized role, contributing to the overall efficiency of the digestive system. Their combined efforts not only help in breaking down food, but also in maintaining overall metabolic balance, supporting our health and well-being. Section 8, the final stretch, the large intestine's crucial role. By now, most of the nutrients have been absorbed from the chyme. The small intestine has done its job, breaking down food and absorbing essential nutrients into the bloodstream. But the journey isn't over yet. The remaining mixture, known as chyme, still has a crucial part to play in our digestive process. What's left is mostly water and waste products. This leftover material is what the large intestine will work on next. The chyme is now a semi-liquid substance, and it's the large intestine's job to transform it into a more solid form. This mixture enters the large intestine, a wider tube about 1.5 meters long. The large intestine, also known as the colon, is divided into several parts: the cecum, the ascending colon, the transverse colon, the descending colon, and the sigmoid colon. Each section plays a role in processing the chyme. The large intestine's main job is to absorb water from the leftover waste, solidifying it into what we know as poo. As the chyme moves through the colon, water is gradually absorbed and the waste material becomes more solid. This process is essential for maintaining the body's fluid balance and preventing dehydration. The large intestine also houses trillions of helpful bacteria called gut flora, which play a crucial role in our overall health. These bacteria help break down any remaining nutrients, produce certain vitamins, and protect against harmful bacteria. The gut flora is a vital part of our immune system and overall well-being. Finally, the remaining waste is stored in the rectum, the last part of the large intestine, until it's time to say goodbye to our food's incredible journey. The rectum acts as a temporary storage site for the solid waste, which will eventually be expelled from the body through the anus during a bowel movement. This final step marks the end of the digestive process, ensuring that our bodies efficiently manage waste and maintain overall health. Section 9, a miraculous journey from plate to energy. From the moment we take a bite to the final stage of waste removal, the digestive system works tirelessly, breaking down our food and providing our bodies with the fuel we need to thrive. It's a complex and fascinating process, a true marvel of nature happening inside each of us every single day. So next time you enjoy a delicious meal, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey your food takes through your digestive system, turning it into the energy that powers your every move.